Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the array method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. So let's take a look at the method every. Let's first of all console log here the string of every. And the every method checks if all elements in the array passed a test. Now this test is actually provided through a callback function. The every method will also execute this function once for each element present in the array. If it finds an array element where the function returns a false value, every method returns false and does not check the remaining values. Now if no false value is found, then the every method will return true. Now there's also something really important. Every method does not execute the function if, let's say, the array does not contain elements without values. Okay, so let's get started by creating here an array, let's say const age, and we're going to just pass in here a couple of numbers, let's say 32, 33, 16, and 40. Now, as I said, we need to create a checking function, so let's create a function which will do something, and let's call it check age. Now this is also going to have a argument of age, so we need to pass in here an age later on, and this will just return the age that is greater, for example, greater or less than 10. Okay, so we have our function. Now we can use our method console log, and let's say from the ages array we're going to use the every method. And we're going to now insert here the callback function that we just created, which is check age. And now it's going to execute this right here. Now it returns true, as you can see, because yes, there are elements that are greater than 10. Now if I would do, let's comment this out and let's say return age less or equal to 19. So are there elements that are less or equal to 19? Is going to return false, because as soon as it hits 16, it's going to stop and return false. As I said, all of the elements need to pass this certain test. Now let's test if, let's return if all of the ages within here are greater or equal to, let's say, 18. And let me comment this one out. And it will also return false, because 16 again is not greater than 18. Now, if I would return, let's make another test, are all of our elements within the ages array less or equal to 40, then it's going to return true. Okay, so that's basically it about the every method. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.